We're at St Nectans Glen, which is near Tintagel in Cornwall, and just watch this for an amazing adventure.
I did it! It's freezing cold, but it's very refreshing.
Was it invigorating?
It's very invigorating.
I feel like we're finally getting somewhere. You want to sit on the bench?
Yes, please. We've now reached the bottom of the waterfall. After the trek up and down the steps all along, there was one further up, and then this is the bottom of the main one. And then there's a gate that we go through in a minute. Well, it's like a little area, I think, that you can sit right at the bottom of it, of the waterfall. Yeah. Peace and tranquility. So they won't want us filming.
Done it, now can you do it? You're going to get wet feet. You know Jane loves to
I am
fall
going
in
to
these
get wet
things.
feet, aren't I?
Yes, you are. Do you want a hand?
I might just take my shoes and socks off.
I've done it without getting wet feet.
Yeah. I will get wet feet.
It's not that bad. Join us after this commercial break to see if Jane can get across there or not, or whether she'll be stuck in Cornwall forever and ever. I would be inclined to walk through then, just walk through and not walk on the slates.
Do what?
I would be inclined just to walk through this river then.
Oh, it's freezing!
Come on, you've got to do it now.
I'm scared.
I hope you might get all this.
Oh, oh. Ow.
Don't fall in. Go around
It
it.
is very cold. It is very cold. Very cold, very cold, very cold, very cold and slippery.
And you did it, well done.
I did it. It's freezing cold, but it's very refreshing.
Was it invigorating?
It's very invigorating.
better look.
Now gone out round the corner on the stepping stones with his tripod. He's got his tripod out and he is getting the waterfall with the camera. Hopefully he'll do some video with that as well. But I've literally just got my shoes back on, which didn't get wet, so I'm not going to go around the corner and get wet myself after just putting them back on. Wow, this place is amazing. Look up. All that. It's just so peaceful. Well, obviously you've got the sound of the waterfall, but it's just such a peaceful, tranquil place. It's just beautiful. Definitely worth the walk here, for sure. So if you're coming to Cornwall, I'd definitely add St Nectans Glen, the Tintagel Castle on your planned holiday route or day trips out. And this is the view from down at the bottom. It is amazing. I hope you can hear me. My mic's on. It's just amazing. Now he's getting wet feet. This is just amazing. Definitely worth all the walk down to see this view. Just spectacular. This place just feels so spiritual and calming. A place of peace and tranquility.
Well, front's on the same level.
Wow, almost.
Almost. So yeah, it's amazing. I'll obviously put some pictures in the video that we took and some video. But one tip here, bring wellies, waterproof footwear, or even bring
a towel
and take your shoes and socks off.
Because that was so invigorating walking through that water. So I would suggest bring a towel, be prepared to get your feet wet.
I was happy not to be invigorated and have kind of waterproof boots, so that was fine. But make sure you go round the corner and actually look at the waterfall, because if you don't, because you weren't going to look at it, were you?
No, I would have missed that.
Yeah, make sure you do. And you can always add yourself some little stepping stones. There's lots of bits of stone here you can just, that you can stack on top of each other, just so you don't have to put your feet quite so deeply in the water. And if you want to take some decent pictures with a DSLR, bring yourself a tripod as well.
Yeah, and if you're doing a video, mics, top tip, definitely need the mics, because the waterfall is so loud.
Yeah.
Like I can hear you speak what you were saying just across, like how not even a metre.
And hopefully you'll hear it on the video.
I hope so.
Yeah. So there's lots of people here now. There must be 20 people here now. When we were here a minute ago, there was just us.
Yes.
So,
and now they're all taken my tip and got their feet off. No, got their shoes off. They've all taken my tip and taken their shoes off and gone around the corner as well to see the waterfall. Because if you want to keep dry feet, that's not going to happen.
No, and just don't let it happen either. Make sure you get your feet wet or have a look at it properly. You know,
you don't
it's
want to
amazing.
miss that.
So we're now heading back to the car. What are your thoughts, Jane? What are your thoughts?
Oh, it was amazing. Definitely worth the hike up here from the car park. Definitely worth it. As I've probably said before, I do struggle with my legs and my back walking. I mean, I'm going to feel it tomorrow, that's for sure. But I would definitely... Oh, sugar.
All over, just because I'm on camera.
I would definitely recommend this. And I'll definitely come again. Maybe I'll bring a swimming costume next time. Go onto that waterfall.
Your swimming costume?
Yeah, to go onto the waterfall next time.
We saw some people actually doing a little bit of, well, not swimming, but just sort of, you know, plunged their heads into the water, which looked really cool. Actually, I was a bit jealous that we hadn't done that, but
yeah,
you know, we're not really prepped for it, but it's definitely worth doing. And be prepared to get your feet wet, both on the way up to the path, up to the place, and when you get down there. But yeah, it's an amazing place. Especially if it's steady. Where are you going? Especially if it's really hot. If it's a really hot day, it'd be a really cool place. Reinvigorating. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you enjoyed the video, then please click the thumbs up and subscribe button.